and I'll tell you if this thing is junk or it's not. But in my point of view, it seems interesting for the price and how this board is pretty smart. So, so this is what it comes in the box. Interesting. I like the idea of this because they do have mini electric skateboard, but the problem is it's not wide like this. So this one is pretty good. Very lightweight. And look at the battery, so tiny on this thing. I'm gonna go ahead and see what's the ride time on this. And what else comes in the box. You get a charger and instruction. Interesting. And let's see. So basically he has EI technology built into this. So it's kind of like a one wheel kind of type that when you put your foot on here, it automatically triggers, you know, so if you're moving, it detects your movement. I mean, they have this technology on the hoverboard, so it's not really a new tech idea, but it's kind of good to have it on skateboard because sometimes you do lose your controller, your Bluetooth controller, or sometimes you just forgot it and you have the electric skateboard with you and you can't really do anything. But the good thing about it is you can still ride it like an ordinary skateboard. But the quality on this, I'm surprised. It's pretty good. So for what you paid for, I would say. And how would you turn this on? Interesting. So I gotta look to it. I think maybe if you stepped on it, automatically turns on, or if you're going. So it's kind of unique. It's kind of unique how this thing works. But I'm gonna try it out and see what's all about. But the quality, it's very interesting. I mean, it's a good brand board. Nothing like it. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and charge this up and see what this thing can do and what's all about. It has this. Okay, so when it does move, it triggers, and it has that cool. Look at that. It has that cool light. So. But it's lightweight. Look at the battery in this thing. I don't know what's the ride time on this guy. But we're gonna figure it out. Yeah, so I'm gonna mess around with it. So this is the back light. That's good. You got visible light. Pretty interesting. And we're gonna see what this thing can do and tell you guys about it. This is really worth the money, or would you even get one of these? But the good thing about it is just like you can put this in your bag. But I'm gonna try it out. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and can't wait to test this guy out.